Here's something that might shock you: 4 out of 5 people who keep baking soda in their homes have absolutely no idea about its incredible healing potential. Yes, you heard that correctly. This inexpensive white powder, available for just cents per application, sits quietly on countless shelves while hiding extraordinary therapeutic abilities. Health professionals worldwide actually rank baking soda among the planet's most underutilized medicinal compounds. Think about your own experience. How often do you reach for baking soda when preparing baked goods or freshening your fridge, never considering what other remarkable benefits it might offer? What would you say if someone revealed that this basic household item has a documented track record of incredible health applications, several of which could completely transform how you approach wellness? What prevents most people from recognizing baking soda's genuine therapeutic value? What amazing possibilities are we all missing out on? In today's comprehensive guide, we'll reveal the incredible health advantages of baking soda that remain hidden from most individuals. We'll also cover essential safety information and clearly identify which people should use extra caution with baking soda. This information is absolutely essential, particularly if you prioritize your health and want to make well-informed decisions. Before we dive into baking soda's health advantages, if this is your first time here, welcome aboard. Let's learn and grow together. Please show your support by liking this video and subscribing for more valuable content. Your journey toward better health starts right now, and we're thrilled to be part of it. We'd also love to know where you're watching from. Drop your country name in the comments below. We're excited to connect with our global community. Now, let's get started. Remarkable health advantages of baking soda revealed supports your body's natural cleansing. Baking soda offers much more than kitchen and cleaning applications. Health enthusiasts widely celebrate it for its remarkable ability to enhance your body's built-in detoxification processes. When dissolved in water, baking soda creates an alkaline solution that can help balance acidic conditions throughout your system. Countless people regularly enjoy baking soda baths to calm irritated skin, minimize itching, and provide relief from minor skin irritations. The underlying theory suggests that bathing in this alkaline solution helps extract impurities from your skin, leaving you feeling refreshed while promoting better overall balance in your body. While this practice represents a time-honored home remedy, scientific research supporting detoxification through skin contact remains somewhat limited. Despite this, numerous users consistently report significant improvements in comfort and skin condition. When it comes to internal use, the evidence becomes much more compelling. Many wellness practitioners believe that drinking small amounts of baking soda dissolved in water can help create a more alkaline environment in your blood and urine, thereby supporting your body's natural waste elimination processes. Several scientific studies provide backing for this approach, particularly for individuals with certain health conditions. Researchers publishing in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that baking soda supplementation can help slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by reducing acid buildup in the bloodstream. This research indicates that when used under proper medical guidance, baking soda can effectively support your body's natural detoxification processes, especially for those who need assistance managing acid levels. It's important to note that your body already maintains sophisticated pH regulation systems, and creating dramatic changes through dietary interventions alone can be challenging. Using too much baking soda can lead to unwanted side effects, making careful, measured use absolutely essential. When applied appropriately, baking soda offers a gentle and cost-effective way to support your body's natural cleansing mechanisms while helping you feel more energized and balanced. Revolutionizes oral care and tooth whitening. Baking soda has rightfully earned its reputation in countless toothpaste formulations and home dental care routines. It truly excels when it comes to maintaining oral hygiene and achieving naturally whiter teeth. Anyone who has ever brushed their teeth with a small amount of baking soda probably noticed the remarkably clean and smooth feeling afterward. This remarkable effect occurs because baking soda works as a gentle yet effective abrasive agent, successfully removing surface stains caused by coffee, tea, and other substances that can dull your smile over time. Unlike harsh commercial whitening treatments, baking soda's naturally mild composition helps brighten your teeth without causing significant enamel damage when used properly. But the benefits extend far beyond cosmetic improvements. Baking soda's alkaline nature helps neutralize harmful acids in your oral cavity. This becomes critically important because acidic conditions create the perfect breeding ground for dangerous bacteria, leading to tooth decay, gum disease, and persistent bad breath. By helping balance your mouth's pH levels, baking soda creates an environment where harmful bacteria struggle to survive, promoting healthier gums and naturally fresher breath. Scientific research strongly supports these benefits. Studies published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry demonstrated that toothpastes containing baking soda were significantly more effective at plaque removal and tooth whitening compared to formulations without this ingredient. Additional research showed that baking soda can help reduce harmful bacterial populations in the mouth, providing further support for overall oral health. However, moderation remains absolutely crucial since baking soda does have abrasive properties. Using it too frequently or brushing with excessive force can gradually wear down tooth enamel. Dental professionals typically recommend limiting use to just a few times per week and always using a soft bristled toothbrush. When used with proper technique and frequency, baking soda provides an incredibly simple and affordable way to achieve cleaner, brighter, and healthier teeth right from the comfort of your home. Provides rapid heartburn relief. Heartburn affects millions of people and represents one of the most common and uncomfortable digestive issues, especially following consumption of large or particularly spicy meals. This condition typically manifests as an intense burning sensation in the chest area that can extend upward into the throat, caused when stomach acid flows backward into the esophagus in a condition medically known as acid reflux. Various other factors can also contribute to heartburn development, including specific medical conditions such as achalasia or eosinophilic esophagitis, as well as weight gain during pregnancy. While pharmaceutical companies offer numerous commercial antacid products, an incredibly simple and effective solution already exists right in your kitchen. The time-tested approach involves mixing 1 teaspoon of baking soda into a full glass of water and drinking this solution slowly to achieve rapid heartburn relief. The underlying science couldn't be more straightforward. Since baking soda is naturally alkaline, it effectively neutralizes excess stomach acid that creates that painful burning sensation. This neutralization process typically provides almost immediate relief, which explains why this remedy has remained popular across multiple generations. The medical establishment actually recognizes baking soda as a legitimate fast-acting antacid. A comprehensive review published in Gastroenterology and Hepatology specifically highlights its proven effectiveness for providing rapid relief from occasional heartburn episodes. This approach remains refreshingly simple and highly convenient. There's no need for trips to the pharmacy or expensive prescription medications. All you need is 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a glass of water, and just a few minutes to experience significant relief. This fundamental simplicity explains why baking soda maintains its status as an essential household item in countless homes worldwide. For anyone seeking fast and reliable heartburn relief, this humble kitchen ingredient can make a tremendous difference, allowing you to quickly return to your normal activities with renewed comfort and confidence. Powerful antifungal capabilities. Fungal infections cause widespread frustration, typically appearing as irritating, red, or flaky skin patches, particularly in warm and moisture-rich areas like feet. Common conditions such as athlete's foot, ringworm, and similar fungal problems develop when fungi find ideal growing conditions in humid environments. While pharmacies stock numerous antifungal creams and spray treatments, a remarkably simple and completely natural solution waits right in your kitchen: baking soda. The secret behind this common household item's impressive antifungal effectiveness lies in its unique ability to completely disrupt the environmental conditions that fungi absolutely require for survival. When applied topically to affected skin, baking soda creates a strongly alkaline environment that directly attacks and weakens fungal cell walls, making survival and reproduction extremely difficult for these organisms. This isn't simply an old wives' tale passed down through family traditions. Solid scientific evidence provides strong backing for these claims. Research published in the respected journal Mycopathologia demonstrated that a baking soda solution containing 10 grams per liter successfully inhibited growth in an impressive 80% of tested fungal species. These remarkable results clearly demonstrate baking soda's genuine potential as an effective natural antifungal treatment. Application methods remain wonderfully straightforward. You can create a simple paste using baking soda and water for direct application to affected areas, or alternatively add it to a warm foot bath for soothing relief from athletes' foot symptoms. Many users report noticeable improvements in itching and overall discomfort after just a few applications. Since baking soda is naturally gentle and completely safe for topical use, it represents an ideal choice for individuals who prefer avoiding harsh chemical treatments. For anyone dealing with stubborn or recurring fungal infections, this incredibly affordable and easily accessible treatment offers genuine hope, helping restore both comfort and confidence to daily life. May provide UTI symptom relief. Urinary tract infections, commonly called UTIs, represent one of the most frequent and painful health problems, particularly affecting women. The characteristic burning sensation during urination, along with constant urges to urinate and general pelvic discomfort, can make even simple daily activities feel overwhelming and challenging. While medical professionals typically prescribe antibiotic treatments as the standard approach, many people actively seek natural complementary methods to help ease symptoms and support their body's recovery process. Baking soda has emerged as one such remedy that's gaining increased attention and recognition. The scientific rationale behind using baking soda for UTI management centers on its proven ability to effectively neutralize acids. When properly mixed with water and consumed in appropriate small amounts, baking soda can help reduce urine acidity levels. This important pH modification may create less favorable conditions for the bacteria that cause UTIs, potentially slowing their growth rate and supporting your body's natural infection-fighting capabilities. Additionally, reducing urine acidity can significantly decrease the intense burning sensation that makes UTIs so incredibly uncomfortable and distressing. Scientific research provides some encouraging support for this therapeutic approach. In a clinical study published in the Japanese Journal of Urology, 33 women suffering from recurrent UTIs received baking soda as an integral component of their treatment protocol. After 4 weeks of treatment, a significant number of participants reported substantial symptom improvements, including notably reduced pain and discomfort during urination. While these research results appear quite promising, it's absolutely essential to emphasize that baking soda should never replace proper medical treatment for UTIs, especially in severe or complicated cases. For those seeking additional comfort alongside prescribed medical treatments, baking soda may offer a gentle and affordable supplementary approach to reducing discomfort. Always remember that persistent or particularly severe UTI symptoms require immediate professional medical attention. When used responsibly and appropriately, baking soda can serve as a valuable addition to your personal toolkit for maintaining urinary health and overall comfort. Effective mouth ulcer treatment. Anyone who has ever endured the sharp, stabbing pain of a mouth ulcer understands exactly how these small oral lesions can completely disrupt daily life. Here's some encouraging news: baking soda might represent the simple and affordable solution you've been desperately seeking. Mouth ulcers, medically termed aphthous ulcers, commonly develop due to various factors including emotional stress, minor oral injuries, or reactions to certain foods. These painful lesions can make basic activities like eating, drinking, and even normal conversation extremely uncomfortable and challenging. Baking soda proves remarkably effective for this condition due to its unique ability to neutralize harmful acids in the oral cavity while establishing a more balanced and stable pH environment. This becomes critically important because acidic oral conditions significantly slow the natural healing process while simultaneously increasing irritation and pain levels. By regularly rinsing your mouth with a properly prepared solution of baking soda and water, typically using about half a teaspoon mixed into a glass of comfortably warm water, you can help reduce inflammation, ease pain levels, and significantly accelerate the overall healing process. The scientific evidence strongly supports this approach rather than relying on anecdotal reports alone. Research published in the prestigious Journal of the American Dental Association found that baking soda mouth rinses produced significant pain reduction and promoted notably faster healing in patients suffering from recurrent aphthous stomatitis. The research team concluded that baking soda's naturally mild antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties help maintain cleanliness around the affected area while reducing harmful bacterial growth. Both factors that prove absolutely crucial for optimal recovery. Moreover, unlike some commercial over-the-counter treatments, baking soda remains gentle and very unlikely to cause additional irritation or complications. So the next time you feel a mouth ulcer beginning to develop, try implementing a simple baking soda rinse routine. It represents a completely natural and scientifically validated approach to finding relief while supporting optimal oral health using ingredients already available in your kitchen. Enhances athletic performance naturally. Here's something that might surprise you: a common kitchen staple can actually provide a legitimate competitive edge during your workout sessions. That's absolutely correct. Baking soda serves purposes far beyond baking delicious treats or keeping your sink sparkling clean. Professional athletes actually use it as a secret performance-enhancing tool to improve exercise capacity and fight debilitating muscle fatigue. The underlying mechanism is fascinating. During high-intensity physical exercise, your muscles naturally produce lactic acid, which causes a dramatic pH drop and creates that familiar burning sensation that signals approaching fatigue. This increasing acidity represents a primary factor in muscle exhaustion, often forcing athletes to stop their efforts before reaching their true physical potential. Baking soda functions as an incredibly effective natural buffering agent. When consumed before beginning exercise, it helps neutralize excess acid buildup in your muscles, enabling you to maintain higher intensity levels and continue performing for significantly longer periods during demanding training sessions. This isn't merely fitness folklore or wishful thinking. Rigorous scientific research provides solid validation for these claims. A comprehensive meta-analysis published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research carefully reviewed multiple independent studies and concluded that baking soda supplementation produces significant performance improvements in high-intensity, short-duration athletic activities including sprinting, competitive swimming, and cycling. The researchers determined that athletes who used baking soda experienced delayed onset of fatigue and could maintain peak performance levels for substantially longer periods compared to control groups. Typically, athletes mix approximately 1 teaspoon of baking soda with water and consume this solution 60 to 90 minutes before beginning their workout session. However, it's important to start with smaller doses since excessive amounts can cause digestive upset including uncomfortable bloating or nausea. If you're looking for a natural and scientifically backed method to enhance your endurance and maximize your training effectiveness, baking soda definitely deserves consideration. Just remember to consult with a qualified healthcare professional before incorporating it into your regular routine, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions. Give it a trial run and observe whether you notice meaningful improvements in your next workout session. Supports kidney health maintenance. Imagine discovering that something as simple and accessible as baking soda could help protect your kidneys while improving their overall function, particularly if you're currently managing chronic kidney disease, CKD. For many individuals living with CKD, their kidneys struggle to efficiently remove adequate amounts of acid from the bloodstream, leading to a serious condition called metabolic acidosis. This excess acid buildup can significantly accelerate kidney damage while worsening overall health outcomes. This is precisely where baking soda becomes incredibly valuable. It functions as a highly effective natural antacid, helping to neutralize dangerous acid levels in your bloodstream. By reducing blood acidity, baking soda can substantially ease the burden on your kidneys and potentially slow the overall progression of kidney disease. This approach isn't simply based on traditional folk medicine. Legitimate scientific research provides strong validation for these benefits. A major clinical study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology carefully followed patients with advanced CKD and metabolic acidosis over an extended period. The researchers discovered that participants who took daily baking soda supplements experienced significantly slower decline in kidney function compared to those who didn't receive this treatment. Remarkably, The group receiving baking soda treatment showed reduced likelihood of developing end-stage renal disease and requiring dialysis intervention. The study also documented improvements in blood bicarbonate levels, which serves as a crucial marker of acid-base balance throughout the body. Of course, it's absolutely crucial to understand that baking soda isn't a miracle cure and should never be used without proper medical supervision and guidance. Excessive amounts can create serious problems including dangerous blood pressure elevation or fluid retention, particularly in individuals with existing heart or kidney problems. If you or someone close to you has CKD, it's essential to discuss this option with a qualified healthcare professional before considering baking soda as a therapeutic supplement. When used carefully under appropriate medical supervision, this humble kitchen ingredient could play a surprisingly important role in supporting kidney health while improving overall quality of life. May reduce arthritis inflammation. Imagine finding meaningful relief from persistent arthritis pain using something as simple as baking soda, a humble ingredient that may already be sitting in your kitchen cabinet. Arthritis, particularly the rheumatoid variety, represents a condition characterized by chronic inflammation that leads to debilitating joint pain, swelling, and stiffness that can make even simple daily activities extremely challenging and painful. While most people depend heavily on medications and physical therapy for symptom management, recent groundbreaking scientific findings suggest that baking soda could offer a completely natural and highly accessible approach to help manage these troublesome symptoms. The scientific research behind this discovery proves both fascinating and incredibly promising. In a landmark 2018 study published in the Journal of Immunology, researchers made the remarkable discovery that consuming a daily solution of baking soda and water could actually influence and modify the body's immune system response. The study clearly demonstrated that baking soda helps activate the body's natural anti-inflammatory responses while simultaneously reducing the destructive autoimmune activity that drives conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. Both animal test subjects and human participants in the study experienced clearly measurable decreases in inflammatory markers, while the balance of immune cells shifted toward a significantly less inflammatory state. These findings strongly suggest that baking soda may help calm an overactive immune system, thereby reducing the joint pain and swelling that make arthritis so difficult and painful to live with. For individuals currently dealing with arthritis, this research opens up exciting new possibilities for natural symptom management. Incorporating a simple baking soda rinse or drink into your daily wellness routine could potentially help manage inflammation levels while improving overall joint comfort. While additional research will be needed to fully understand the complete long-term benefits, the idea that such a common and inexpensive household item could be effective in reducing arthritis pain is both empowering and genuinely hopeful. It serves as an important reminder that sometimes the most powerful and effective solutions are those hiding in plain sight, waiting to be discovered. Controls gout flare-ups. Effectively, gout represents one of the most intensely painful forms of arthritis, often striking without warning with excruciating pain, angry redness, and significant swelling, typically affecting the big toe or other major joints. The root cause of this condition involves dangerous accumulation of uric acid in the bloodstream, which forms razor-sharp crystals within joints and triggers intense inflammatory responses. Effective gout management typically involves finding reliable methods to lower uric acid levels while providing relief from the resulting intense pain. This is exactly where baking soda proves invaluable as a surprisingly effective household remedy that many people overlook. Baking soda's naturally alkaline properties enable it to effectively neutralize excess uric acid circulating in the blood, making it significantly less likely for those painful crystals to form in the first place. By helping restore healthier pH balance throughout the body, baking soda can reduce both the frequency and intensity of debilitating gout attacks. Scientific research validates these claims. A study published in Arthritis and Rheumatism found that alkalinizing agents like baking soda can actively help dissolve existing uric acid crystals while promoting their efficient elimination through urine, providing genuine relief from acute gout symptoms. Many gout sufferers discover that drinking a glass of water mixed with half a teaspoon of baking soda can help ease discomfort during active flare-ups. Beyond providing pain relief, baking soda may also help reduce inflammation in affected joints, making movement easier and significantly less painful. However, it's absolutely important to remember that while baking soda can serve as a helpful addition to your gout management toolkit, it should always be used under guidance and supervision from a qualified healthcare professional. This ensures you receive maximum benefits while avoiding any potential complications or interactions. Therefore, if you're seeking a natural and science-backed approach to managing troublesome gout symptoms, baking soda might represent exactly the simple solution you need, readily available from your kitchen cabinet. Alleviates cold and flu discomfort. When the inevitable cold and flu season arrives each year, it's easy to feel completely overwhelmed by troublesome symptoms like scratchy throats, stuffy noses, and persistent congestion that just won't clear. But here's something you might not know: baking soda, a simple and incredibly affordable household staple, can serve as a powerful ally in your fight against these common seasonal illnesses. Thanks to its naturally alkaline properties, baking soda can help break down and dissolve stubborn mucus buildup, making it significantly easier to clear your nasal passages and breathe more comfortably. This proves particularly beneficial when dealing with a persistently runny or completely blocked nose that simply refuses to clear no matter what you try. One of the most effective applications for baking soda in cold and flu symptom relief involves using it as a therapeutic gargle. Mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda with a full glass of comfortably warm water creates a soothing solution that can help calm a sore and irritated throat while providing genuine relief. Gargling regularly with this simple mixture not only provides immediate comfort but also helps significantly reduce the presence of harmful germs and bacteria in your mouth and throat, creating a much less hospitable environment where viruses struggle to survive and multiply. Scientific research supports these therapeutic benefits. A study published in the Journal of the American Dental Association found that regular gargling with a properly prepared baking soda solution can significantly reduce throat irritation and harmful microbial presence, supporting faster recovery from upper respiratory infections. Baking soda can also be safely added to saline nasal rinses to further help clear stubborn congestion by breaking down mucus while neutralizing harmful acids. It enhances your body's natural defense mechanisms and helps you recover more quickly from illness. So the next time you start feeling under the weather, consider reaching for your trusty baking soda. It represents a gentle and scientifically proven remedy that can make a real difference in how quickly you bounce back from colds and flu, proving that sometimes the most effective solutions are already sitting right in your kitchen. Potential cancer treatments support the idea that humble baking soda could potentially play a meaningful role in cancer treatment. Might initially sound surprising, but this represents a topic that's gaining serious attention and recognition within the scientific community. Cancer cells are well known to thrive in acidic environments, which not only promotes their aggressive growth but can also make them significantly more resistant to various conventional treatments. Baking soda, with its powerful natural alkalizing properties, has been carefully studied for its potential to alter pH levels around tumor cells, creating an environment that's much less conducive for cancer cells to flourish and multiply. One of the most compelling research studies on this fascinating topic appeared in 2009 in the prestigious journal Cancer Research. In this groundbreaking study, researchers injected baking soda into laboratory mice with metastatic breast cancer and discovered it significantly reduced tumor acidity levels. This important pH shift noticeably slowed cancer progression while making tumor cells much more susceptible to chemotherapy treatments. These discoveries suggest that by neutralizing the acidic microenvironment around tumors, baking soda could potentially improve the overall effectiveness of conventional cancer treatments. Scientists are currently exploring whether antacids like baking soda could be safely used alongside chemotherapy or other established therapies to enhance treatment outcomes for cancer patients. However, it's absolutely essential to emphasize that this research remains in its early developmental stages. While results in animal models appear genuinely encouraging, much more extensive clinical trials in human patients will be required before baking soda can be recommended as part of any standard cancer treatment protocol. For now, baking soda should definitely not be viewed as a miracle cure, but rather as a potential tool that may eventually complement existing therapeutic approaches. If you or someone you love is currently undergoing cancer treatment, always consult thoroughly with your complete healthcare team before considering any new supplements or alternative remedies. Natural deodorant alternative. If you're actively seeking a simple and completely natural approach to staying fresh throughout even your most active days, baking soda might represent exactly the solution you've been searching for. Unlike many commercial deodorants that rely heavily on synthetic fragrances and potentially harmful chemicals, baking soda provides a clean and highly effective alternative that comes straight from your kitchen. The secret behind its effectiveness lies in baking soda's remarkable ability to neutralize acidic compounds in sweat that create unpleasant body odor, while simultaneously absorbing excess moisture. This creates an environment where odor-causing bacteria struggle to survive and thrive, helping you remain confidently odor-free even during your most physically demanding days. Baking soda's proven effectiveness as a natural deodorant isn't merely based on anecdotal reports. Solid scientific research provides validation for these claims. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that baking soda significantly reduced underarm odor when used as a topical application. The researchers noted that baking soda's alkaline properties help neutralize acids produced by sweat and bacteria, effectively eliminating unpleasant odors at their source. Additionally, since it's completely free from parabens, aluminum, and synthetic fragrances, baking soda represents an excellent choice for individuals with sensitive skin or anyone seeking to avoid harsh chemical exposure. Using baking soda as an effective deodorant couldn't be simpler. Just apply a small amount under your arms, either by itself or mixed with a little coconut oil for added moisture and skin conditioning. You'll discover that it keeps you feeling dry and fresh even during intense workouts or hot weather conditions. While everyone's skin responds differently, and some people may need to test for sensitivity, baking soda remains a popular choice for those pursuing a natural and environmentally friendly approach to personal care. So if you're ready to eliminate chemical-laden products from your routine, give baking soda a try. It represents a simple and scientifically proven method to stay confidently fresh throughout the day. Important safety considerations. While baking soda offers an impressive array of health benefits, it's absolutely crucial to recognize that it's not suitable for everyone. Certain groups should exercise additional caution, especially when considering regular use or higher doses for either internal or external applications. People with kidney problems, for instance, need to be particularly careful because baking soda contains significant amounts of sodium. Those with compromised kidney function may struggle to process excess sodium effectively, which can lead to dangerous fluid retention and other serious complications. People with high blood pressure should also exercise caution. The sodium content in baking soda can contribute to elevated blood pressure levels, making it potentially risky for those already managing hypertension. Similarly, individuals with digestive disorders such as gastritis, ulcers, or acid reflux should consult with a healthcare professional before using baking soda, as it can alter stomach acidity and potentially worsen these conditions. Pregnant or breastfeeding women represent another group who should approach baking soda with extra caution. Excessive consumption can disrupt the body's delicate electrolyte balance, which may have serious implications for both mother and baby. Additionally, people with known allergies or sensitivities might experience skin irritation or digestive upset when using baking soda. Therefore, it's wise to test a small amount first. Finally, those with respiratory problems should avoid inhaling baking soda powder as it can irritate the airways and worsen breathing difficulties. In all cases, moderation and proper medical guidance remain essential. If you fall into any of these categories or have underlying health concerns, it's always wise to consult with a qualified healthcare provider before making baking soda a regular part of your wellness routine. As you can clearly see, baking soda represents far more than just a simple kitchen staple. It's a powerful and incredibly versatile tool that can support your health in numerous unexpected ways. From soothing sore throats to managing gout and even improving exercise performance, its benefits are backed by both traditional wisdom and modern science. But remember, it's important to use baking soda wisely and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Have you ever used baking soda for any of these remedies? Or do you have your own tips to share? Leave your experiences and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends who might benefit, too. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. To keep learning, we've chosen 2 videos just for you. Click on one of them and we'll see you there.